Hello everyone, on this video I want to see the Elementor new feature conditions. I didn't check it yet, so this is my first time. I just want to see and compare with the Bricks Builder, because Bricks Builder already had the conditions for a long time. They have lots of options, and I want to see those options are possible with the Elementor. Okay, first, let's check the page title. Okay, let's open the previews. First, yeah, this is the preview. This is the preview. Okay. So I want to check the dynamically. I want to check the page title. Let's check with string. Okay. So if the check is true, advance conditions, add conditions. How do I check as a string? From URL, text, dynamic text, title. Oh, okay. Featured image, author. Okay, so so I can check the page title. Looks like there is more than one way to check the page title. Compare it with display condition. So, okay, this is or is not. I mean, this is almost useless, but anyway. But with the Bricks Builder, let's say I want to show this depending on the condition. Click. Let's select the post title. It has is or is not, like Elementor, but we can check the contains string too. Like this can be dynamic too, like ACF and stuff. Lots of options dynamically, or we can make it static, like condition. This is saying if the post title or page title contains condition, this string matches with this condition. It doesn't have S, but still it contains it, right? This can be a dynamic matching too. I use it all the time, like similar stuff. So I wrote it condition. Okay. Oops. Refresh. Okay, so it is dynamically checking the title with my string. Okay, this string can be like short like this too, or it can be long, doesn't matter, but it matches part of the title. Okay, I want to do the same thing with the Elementor. So it is not possible here, but it looks like possible with dynamic. Okay, condition. Okay, so the page title has condition, but I want to match it with some part of it, not fully. And this is dynamic check. So let's save it. This will show right now. It should be showing. Okay, let's change it to other way around. Let's say if it doesn't contain it, it does not contain, so it will not show. Let's see. I want to see. Is it going? Yes, it works. Okay, good. So, okay, good. This works like Bricks Builder. Good. And but even though it is saying dynamic tags, it doesn't have like Bricks Builder like comprehensive list like this. Maybe it has on the documentation. Let's check. Custom. No, custom. No. There is not. Oh, interesting. Like, I was hoping we could have like. How do we use like custom field? Because Bricks Builder has the custom fields. Interesting. Good. I mean, most of the conditions are dynamic. Like, let's say author name admin a, yeah, random name, because the Insta VP makes random usernames. Interesting. So does this have contain? Yeah. When you make dynamic selections, you can select the contain. It only has like is or is not. But for the bricks builder, you can select for all, like is not, contain, does not contain. You can do it for all of them, doesn't matter. Like, and you can even make comparisons depending on the mathematical, like date, time, weekday. Like you can make, see, if it is not Wednesday, if it is weekday, after, like after, equal, or after. Yeah, this is it. For example, today is Sunday. Let's select the Sunday, equal or after Sunday. This should show right now. Let's see. Yeah. Let's make it before Sunday. Yeah, it will hide. Yeah. I mean, it has a lot more control. That's what I'm saying. It can be dynamic data, like completely dynamic. Let's say you get post ID, you you compare it with the ACF field, something like that. This can be like ACF, yeah, something. Yeah, it can be desk modified, whatever. You can make advanced dynamic conditions like that, but Elementor a little bit limited. Looks like, yeah, not even a little bit, like a lot limited. I mean, this is a good start, but they need to add a lot more, maybe selections, just like Bricks Builder. We can select a lot more options like that. Yeah, look at that. That's it, like title, that's it. I mean, the dynamic tags, this is the most important, by the way. Most of the time you will use dynamic tags. I don't think these are that useful. I mean, it is useful. I don't think that much useful, but the dynamic tag, this is the most useful thing. So that's why you need a lot more option when you select the dynamic tags. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, that's what I want to check. So this is a new feature I want to see, like first time. Looks like good. They copied this feature from Bricks or whatever. Okay, if they watch, they will be mad. Don't be mad, okay? I mean, if you are even doing that, just copy all the features. Come on. This can be a lot more features. It can be a lot more list here. It can be, yeah, it can be much better, definitely. It has room for improvement. Let's say it like that. But it is a good start. I like it. I mean, Elementor is not like Elementor already have some conditions, guys. Let's say pop-ups. When we go to the pop-ups, oops, we already had like some conditions, like advanced conditions. We are used to this, like we know this stuff. And I was hoping to see something like that, by the way, but I didn't. I was hoping to see like advanced stuff, maybe even more advanced than Bricks Builder. But sadly, no. It was a much simpler conditions. And another important thing is we can't, looks like we can't make or. Yeah, I just realized, I almost forgot. With Bricks Builder, we can make and conditions. What does that mean? It means if this block matches, this block returns true, and this block returns true. Okay? If both of them returns true, this will show. The other option is, Let's delete that. The other option is this block returns true, or I mean, it can be returned true or false, but doesn't matter. Or this returns true. Okay, if one of them turns true, this shows. So it gives, I mean, a lot more options, possibilities with this setup. Actually, I use it all the time because this can be, let's say you have titles. One title contains hello, another title contains what, another title contains yo. Okay, because all of them is or, we can match multiple options, multiple pages, titles like that, and we can show our section or the element. But with Elementor, you can't do that. Yeah, as far as I can see, no, it's not possible. See, it is just and. There is no or. And this is a big disadvantage. I'm not sure why they didn't add it. I mean, it's not that hard to implement. If they already make this feature, they could have implemented or too. Like we just need to click here and select the or. That's it. Or they can add like another button here, add condition group. Oh, okay. Yes. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. I'm like so used to user experience, like I'm clicking the end, so I am expecting to change. Interesting. Okay, good. Okay, good. So it's possible. Okay. They don't have as much as options, but foundations are there. Foundations are there. Definitely very strong. I like it. It's a good start. It's a good start. I love it. I will definitely use it if I use Elementor. If I make an Elementor site like that. I don't think so, but right now I'm just using the Elementor for all sites, guys. Any new project I'm making with the Bricks Builder. That's my aim for this year. They have a lot more thing to fix, rewrite, but I don't think they can. They need to make like big decisions for that. But when you become really big, it's hard to make that type of decisions. I mean, I understand them too. It's fine. Anyway, good features. I love it. Good features, guys. You can use conditions like that. And I hope you liked the video. See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.